11 Hidden Rules of Money, Thousandaire Club. If you have money, there are hidden rules that govern how you're supposed to act and what you're supposed to do with it. These rules aren't written down anywhere, but most of us know them anyway because we grow up with them. The problem with the hidden rules of money is that not everyone learns about them when they should. In today's video, we reveal 11 hidden rules of money that will help you understand how to manage your finances better and allow you to save more and make more in the future. Before starting, make sure you subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. In that way, you will never miss our next video. 11 Hidden Rules of Money. Number 1. Save before you get paid. If you're just starting out, you may think that saving up enough money to make your first big purchase is impossible. That's not necessarily true. Once you get paid, put some money away immediately before spending it on non-essentials. Before long, you'll have saved enough for a few small indulgences and then eventually an expensive purchase like a new car or home renovations. To help save even more, pay yourself first by putting money directly into savings as soon as your paycheck hits your account. Number 2. Spend less than you earn. Do you want to lose money? Start by spending more than you earn. It's a simple concept, yet it's amazing how many people break that basic rule on a daily basis. Maybe it's from peer pressure, or maybe it's from an innate desire to spend. But overspending is one of the easiest ways to lose your hard-earned money. To stay out of debt and build wealth, learn to spend less than you earn. That way, you can save for emergencies, future expenses and investments, and even take home some cash at month's end. Number 3. You can't trust anyone. Everyone around you will be either an enemy or a friend, but not both. People who present themselves as friends, who want to help you, can't be trusted. They are there to use you, and if they are good at it, they might not even know that they're doing it. Everyone else is fair game. Your business partner, spouse or girlfriend, boyfriend, and even family members. All should be considered fair game by a predator. Number 4. Double your money. The easiest way to double your money is through interest, particularly via a savings account. You put in $100 and 2 months later, you got $200. And if you're investing that money in a fund that has an annual return of 10% or more, if it is as high as 12 or 13%, your return will increase exponentially. At the same time, there are other ways to double your money faster. Think stocks and options trading. Number 5. Debt is bad, very bad. While it's easy to get suckered into thinking that every dollar in debt is bad, that's actually not true. In fact, when a student uses borrowed money to pay for college and then pays back those loans quickly, the student has made an investment in her or his future. Also, student loans are one example of good debt. Others include mortgages and business loans. Whatever type of debt you take on, it should be worth paying off over time. On average, Americans carry more than $8,000 in credit card debt. Most people would benefit by cutting their credit card spending and paying off what they can right away. Number 6. Watch your weight and your bank account. You can lose pounds and save money at the same time. If you are overweight, it's important to focus on weight loss to reduce your risks for several diseases and conditions, including heart disease, type 2 diabetes, some cancers, high blood pressure, and high cholesterol. The CDC estimates that nearly 1/3 of adults in America are obese. Reducing excess weight through weight loss programs such as Jenny Craig or Weight Watchers is important for improving health. Number 7. Taxes are not optional. Even if you don't like them, are you one of those people who thinks paying taxes is optional? Guess what? It's not. To keep it simple, think about taxes as a fee you pay for being a part of society. That makes it easy to see why they are not optional. If you want to live and work in a society that helps maintain roads, schools, airports, and parks, then you have to pay your share. Sure, taxes may seem like an inconvenience at times, but they fund some really useful and important things we all need or want. Number 8. Start saving as soon as possible. You may be thinking that you're not making much money now, so it's okay to put off saving. However, starting early is important because compound interest makes your savings grow faster. For example, the earlier you start saving for retirement and are invested in an appropriate vehicle, it allows your employer to match some of your contributions. Then, generally speaking, more money will be available when you reach retirement age. So start saving now, even if it's just $10 or $20 per week, because time really is on your side when it comes to growing money through compound interest. Number 9. Luck and rules. When it comes to getting rich, most people think of luck as a big factor. Many wealthy people seem to come from nothing and get lucky in life, but they are few and far between. There is an idea floating around out there called the 10% rule that seems to say if you want to be a millionaire, you should start with an annual salary 10 times your initial goal. Number 10. Learn from people who have made money. Learning from people who have made money is a good way to speed up your financial education process. But it's also important to do your research, as there are many gurus out there who just want to make a quick buck by taking advantage of novice investors. Number 11. Use time wisely. Time is your most valuable asset. Always use your time wisely, which could mean anything from working when others don't use that time in a very focused way. One way to make sure you're using your time wisely: make a schedule and stick to it. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Also, you can like videos and share them with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching.